Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality backlink. So the first backlink we can create a profile backlink, and the secondary we can publish an article, and the another backlink you guys can also publish on that website because you can able to create a multiple backlink on that website. Okay, so mainly we can use for the profile and the article submission. So you can see this is I have previously created a profile backlink. So you can see this is the name and this is what I have published article. You guys can see, simply we can click and you guys can see this is the details where I have put it the link. This is the profile bio, and you can see this is the article what I have published recently previously, and the backlink is from you guys can get from that website. That would be going to be no follow, but the thing is this is a best website, so where you guys can publish your article and the profile backlink. So this is the intro of this website. So now we can start research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 58, and according to most we don't have data. There are some bomber issue, and according to similar web, this website having 6.1k total visitors. This is a monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from India, Australia, Pakistan, and USA, Colombia. So this website having that kind of country traffic. Sorry. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience traffic source from that kind of country, so must you guys have to create your profile and article backlink on that website. So we have completed our research process, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so you can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so you can see there is top of the right corner there is a profile button. You guys have to click for the register button. There you guys can add your username, and you guys can add your email address. Then you guys can choose your password, and you guys can click for the let's go. And after that, you guys can update your profile picture, and you can click for the save and continue. And there you guys can add your first name. So you guys can consider to create a profile backlink, profile name as per you who is managing this business, who is are managing frequently. Whenever and the one thing guys, if you guys are while the profile creation or any backlink creation, you guys are using any person name, so most you guys can use the same person name for every listing or everywhere anywhere you guys are creating backlinks. So this is things can create a citation is you guys are what you guys are providing information is this a same where you guys are creating backlink. Okay, so then after that you can choose your country. So this is a website for Canada, and there you guys can choose your date of birth. So my date of birth is 2000 and the 5th July. Then after that you can click for the save and continue. So this is a dashboard, and once you guys can create, so simply you guys can go for your profile section, and this website is couple of slow, so you can wait once you guys and click anywhere. Okay, so there you guys can update your cover image. So I'm just adding those things, and there is an option to you guys can add your workplace. So you guys can add about your company, location. There you guys can add your website URL, relationship, whatever are. Then you guys can choose your city and working at. Then after that you guys can click for the save changes, and you guys can see we have completed our all the details. So you can see this is your profile landing page URL. This is the about description, and there is a backlink what we have inserted, and you guys can see it's a no follow backlink. So we have created our profile backlink. So how we can create article submission backlink? This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So simply you guys can click for the plus button, and there is an option to create new article, and there you guys can add your title, article title name. So I'm just going to pick one article. And you guys can paste your article title and the description. So why they are not updating? And there you guys can add your description. And from there you guys can add your content. And you guys can optimize your headings. So simply you can optimize your heading into H2 and the H3 tags. So once you guys can complete those things, you guys are not able to see any changes. So simply you guys can select your keyword and you guys can press right, then you guys can see this option for the editing. Okay, so you guys can make H2 and the H3 headings, and you guys can organize your article. Once you guys can organize your article, then you guys have then you guys can insert backlink. So you guys can select your keyword, and where you can see this is insert edit link button. You guys can click over there, and you guys have to simply add your website URL. I just picked doing these things for let you know guys how you guys will publish article, and this article is duplicate content because I just overall all content I have copied throughout my website. So this is plagiarized content. So you guys, if you guys are doing article submission, so you guys have to create at least 40 to 50% a genuine content. Then you guys can publish on your anywhere, whatever you guys are wanting. And simply you can add thumbnail and the banner image. There you guys can select your category, and there we can add our tags. And once you guys can complete all those things, then you guys can simply click for the publish button. And here it is guys, you can see this is your article landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito. So it's a instant approved backlink or not. So you guys can see it's 100% instant approved article submission backlink. So you guys can see this is the backlink traffic management. You guys can see there is once I can hover on our keyword, so you can see this is the backlink. So this is a process for the backlink creation on that website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can going to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.